we're making a valuable contribution to profitability and efficiencies. That's what drives our business. My name's Ian Hill and I'm the Marketing Director for Citysoft Consulting. We're the first Australian business partner to adopt Sage Business Cloud Enterprise Management. As solution providers, we go to businesses like Kookaburra and help them determine what's the best solutions to enable the business to be competitive.
I'm Damien Burke, the Global CFO of the Kookaburra Sports Group, the #1 supplier of cricket balls and hockey balls in the world. We produce about 700,000 cricket balls a year. 4 companies around the world, 160 employees. What surprised me was how siloed the business used to be, and it had 4 completely separate platforms. We would have, in the past, the same SKU with different product codes because in, for example, the UK, the packaging might be different. How do you do your sales analytics? How do you do your production analytics?
We looked at the Kookaburra requirements particularly, and we matched them against 2 products from Sage. Multi-company, multi-country, multi-currency, the distribution, all the functionality that a multinational business requires. We've put in the MAPADOCs for EDI integration. We also incorporated Datalinx Advanced Warehouse Management software.
I'm Melvin Fletcher, Director at Datalinx Computer Systems. We are an ISV partner of Sage. The challenge in Kookaburra is how do we get accurate stock and timely information in with the rest of the system. The Datalinx Warehouse Management system embeds itself inside Sage itself, and it liberates half the functionality from enterprise management. One of the big things that I see is that we actually illuminate the warehouse.
We've been able to improve the pick efficiencies, we've been able to improve the receiving of goods.
They don't believe they're ever going to have to do a full closed down stock take again because they can do perpetual stock taking, they can count on the fly.
Kookaburra came to us to run not only their warehousing and logistics but also their back office. We've introduced the ability to work on a mobile device and effectively deal with their retailers in the field.
The year-on-year comparison, our use of casuals were down, our overtime was down, delivery accuracy up. There's no doubt that we wouldn't have been as far advanced and the whole project wouldn't have been as successful if we hadn't been involved with the enterprise management system. The really key thing is trying to find people who can understand what you're trying to do.
When the Sage ecosystem comes together, what it brings is something that is bigger than the component parts. Kookaburra don't have to worry about how do I do my warehousing, how do I do my EDI. The ecosystem allows one business to connect with another to give that bigger story.
We're really proud of the things that we can do and add to the value to these businesses. We look at these multi-country deployments like Kookaburra, and we're able to effectively leverage the capabilities of the Sage platform. We're able to deliver these complex projects. Things are exciting.